Okay, everybody, do not tamper with fire alarms at my house. If you visit my house, do not tamper with my fire alarm. That is a no-no. Like, I don't go to someone's house and tamper with their fire alarms. So, if you come to my house, do not tamper with my fire alarm. That is a no-no in my house. You do not ever tamper with this alarm right here. That is a no-no. If you come into my house and tamper with my fire alarm, you are going to get in dead meat and you are going to get arrested by the police. So do not tamper with my alarm in my house. Do not play with my alarm unless I give you permission to test my alarm. But if it's not for those reasons, you do not tamper with my alarm in my house. That is a no-no. You could go to jail. Do not be like Jonathan, who messed with Dale's alarms in his house. You do not mess with alarms in my house. That is a no-no. You don't tamper with alarms anywhere, especially in a public building. Even in someone's house, that's a no-no. So do not come into my house and tamper with my fire alarms. Bye.